Welcome to Shri Shri Yoga. In today's sequence, we'll look at the Padma Sadhana. Padma Sadhana is a beautiful sequence designed by His Holiness Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Ji. Padma means the lotus and sadhana is our effort. The Padma Sadhana is a beautiful sequence which is to be done as lightly as a lotus flower. In the Agama tradition, it is said that the Devi sits on a 5-layered seat or asana. The base is the tortoise, which represents stability. Just stability is not enough, you need to be aware also. So the second layer is the snake, which represents awareness. Just awareness can lead to a lot of activity in the mind. So above the snake sits the lion, which symbolizes regalness or grace. Just having grace is not enough, we need perfection. So above the lion sits the Siddha or the perfection, the perfect sage. And above the perfect sage sits the lotus, symbol of full blossoming. So let our asana have all these 5 qualities: stability, awareness, grace, perfection, and fully blossomed. When these 5 qualities enhance in our sadhana, then the divinity dawns within us. And that is the Padma Sadhana. While doing the Padma Sadhana, make sure each asana flows into the other. It's not a series of asanas, it's like one big asana altogether.
Jai Gurudev. Welcome to Padma Sadhana. Sit comfortably in Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana or Sukhasana. Deep breath in, exhale, bend forward and down, and start the body rotation. Breathing in as you come up, exhaling as you go down. Finish the round, reverse. Finish the round. As you breathe in, sit up. As you exhale, lie down on your stomach. Hands by the side of the waist, feet together, chin on the floor. Breathe in, lift the right leg up. Keep breathing. Exhale and down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, release. Make a fist with your hands, tuck it in the groin. Breathe in, lift both the legs up.
6 inches off the floor. Stretch. Shalabhasana.
Keep breathing. Exhale, bring the legs down, release. Hands by the side of the shoulders. Elbows close to the body. As you breathe in, slowly lift the head up, lift the chest up as much as you can. Stay there, keep breathing. Bhujangasana, Cobra. Exhale and down. Stretch the hands to the front. Breathe in, lift the hands and legs off the floor. Viparit Shalabhasana, Superman. Exhale, release the stretch. Bend the knees, catch the ankles with the hands. Lift up into Dhanurasana, the bow posture. Lift the thighs up, lift the chest up. Keep breathing in this posture. Exhale and come down. Turn over onto your back. Lift the legs up, hands up, head up. Feet, hands and eyes in a straight line, Naukasana, the boat posture. Inhale, release the stretch. Bring the right knee to the chest. Use the hands to press the knee down to the chest. Lift the head up, nose towards the knee. and release. Left knee to the chest. See if you can bring the nose towards the knee. And release. Both knees together to the chest. Lift the head up, see if you can tuck the nose in between the knees. You may rock gently if you wish to. And release. For those of you who can, you may lift up into Sarvangasana. Lift the legs up. Use the hands to push the hips up. Lift the whole body up. And release. Natarajasana. As you breathe in, lift the right knee up. Use the left hand to press the right knee towards the left. Look to the right. And release. Left knee up. Use the right hand to press the left knee down to the right side. Look to your left. And release. Slowly sit up for Ardha Matsyendrasana. Place the left foot near the right hip. Right foot across the left knee. Twist to your right. Bring the left hand towards the right foot. Release. Other direction. Right foot near the left hip, left foot across the right knee. Twist to your left. Bring the right hand close to the left foot. And release. Parvatasana. Come into Padmasana or Ardha Padmasana. As you breathe in, take the arms up, palms together. And release. Yoga Mudra. Right hand in a fist, left hand catching the right wrist. As you exhale, bend forward and down as much as you can. Breathe in, come up. Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Left hand in Chin Mudra. Right thumb on the right nostril. Index finger and middle finger in between the eyebrows. Ring finger and little finger on the left nostril. Breathe in from both nostrils. Press the thumb, exhale left. Inhale left. Press the ring finger, release the thumb, exhale right. Inhale right and continue at your own pace. Spine erect. Whatever speed you're breathing in, same speed you breathe out. Let the breath be gentle, do not force the breath. Elbow pointing downwards. And after you breathe out from the left, you may release the hands. We'll meditate for about 20 minutes.
Let's sit comfortably, easily, with our spine erect and body relaxed and loose. Let's take a deep breath and slowly breathe out. Once again, take a deep breath. Hold the breath and slowly breathe out. As you breathe out, relax your arms. Once again, breathe in. As you breathe in, the body gets a little tense. Hold the breath, and as you breathe out, relax your whole body. Listen to all the sounds, noises in the environment. And you are at ease with them. You are in harmony with your environment right this moment. Breathe in again. And slowly breathe out. As your lungs empty, you get more and more relaxed. Breathe in and fill your lungs with the breath. And as you breathe out, relax. Become aware of the weight of your body. Whatever that is, 40 kilos, 50 kilos, 150 pounds, whatever that is. Place that entire weight on the seat you are sitting. Breathe in again and breathe out. Now keep a smile on your face and breathe in with a smile. Relax all the muscles in your face. And as you breathe out, relax more and more. Become aware of your body. Your body is a beautiful instrument, a precious gift to you from nature, from God. Honor and respect your body. Relax the whole body. You are grateful for this body. Become aware of your breath. The breath is moving in and out of the body, keeping this body alive.